So I just came across this low-code engine that's designed specifically for enterprise use, and it really got me thinking.
Oh, what's the big deal about this low-code approach? I mean, can it really transform how companies develop software?
Absolutely. The idea is that it streamlines development by letting users create software with minimal coding.
That's wild. It's like giving power to non-technical folks to build apps. But how does it actually work?
Right. So this engine has an extension-oriented kernel, which means it operates on a tiny core but supports a rich ecosystem of plugins and materials.
Got it. So it's modular? I can see how that would allow for a ton of customization. But does that make it complex to set up?
That's the fascinating part. It actually provides out-of-the-box elements for different functions, so users can get a lot done without deep technical skills.
Wow, so it's like a customizable toolbox where you can just pick what you need? That's pretty accessible.
Exactly. I mean, imagine crafting an app like assembling IKEA furniture. Just follow a few instructions.
That's a great analogy, but what about the actual coding? Is there none of that involved?
Oh, there's definitely some coding, especially when I dive deeper or customize things. It's just minimized.
So it's a balance between simplicity and functionality. Do you know what language it uses?
Yes, it's built with TypeScript, which provides a lot of structure and reduces common errors. That's a huge win.
Nice. TypeScript has really taken off, hasn't it? It makes everything more reliable and readable.
For sure. And this engine also fully implements what they call the Basic Construction Protocol specification.
Okay, that sounds official. What's that all about?
It's essential for making sure materials can be shared across different low-code platforms.
Wait, seriously? So it fosters cross-platform compatibility? That changes everything.
Exactly. It means you can use elements from different platforms more easily, promoting collaboration.
That's a total game changer. It would help developers save time, like not reinventing the wheel.
Oh, totally. And think about how that could affect startups. They could build MVPs so much faster.
Wow, I hadn't thought about that. Lowering barriers for startups is huge. What platform do they recommend using?
They recommend working with modern browsers like Chrome and Safari, which is pretty standard.
So it's super accessible. Everyone practically uses these browsers. How about local testing?
Great question. They give a step-by-step on setting it up locally, and it's really straightforward.
No way. So even beginners could realistically debug their apps locally before going live.
Exactly. It's kind of empowering, right? People could learn as they go.
That really gives me chills. Imagine all the creativity unleashed just by making it easier.
And if everyone can join in, you're democratizing app development, which has huge implications.
For sure. But what's the catch? Everything sounds almost too good to be true.
Well, like with anything, there's a learning curve. Users still need a grasp of basic programming concepts.
Sounds reasonable. It's not a magic bullet, but it's definitely a giant leap.
Exactly. And the community aspect really stands out. Everyone can contribute to making the tools better.
Love that. It's like evolving a living system rather than just static software.
Right? It's like building a city where each developer contributes a new building or service.
That's such a cool metaphor. But imagine the potential pitfalls too, like unregulated content.
True. We should keep an eye on quality and security if anyone can pitch in.
That makes total sense. It's like community gardens. Great, but you need guidelines to thrive.
Totally. Establishing some protocols will be crucial to maintain structure without stifling creativity.
Absolutely. This entire discussion really shifts my perspective on what low-code can do.
Same here. It's reshaping the landscape, and we're just at the beginning.
This is such a fascinating journey. Makes me wonder how it will evolve in the next few years.
Oh man, it's going to be exciting to watch. Who knows what groundbreaking apps we'll see?
That's the thrill, isn't it? The possibilities are almost endless, like a new frontier.
For sure. So many innovative minds at work. Can't wait to see what emerges.
Exactly. And it emphasizes the importance of making development inclusive for everyone.
Definitely. Let's keep exploring all this. I feel like we're just scratching the surface.
Agreed. It's like opening a treasure chest, so much to discover and learn.
And just think about where all this is heading. It's both thrilling and a bit daunting.
Right? The balance of empowerment and responsibility is critical going forward.
Now that leaves me with a lot to ponder. Let's keep an eye on how this evolves.